Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your vanilla gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening a web browser first, and as soon as you do that, type in www.vanillagift.com and press the enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. If you've not signed into your account yet, go ahead and sign into your account first, and once you do that, in order to redeem your gift card, go and click on check balance, link right here, and on the next page go ahead and enter the card number at the back of your gift card. After you do that, go ahead and type in your expiration date, type in your month and your year, and then enter your CVV number on the next field. Now, go and click on sign in after filling in your information. After you click on sign in, you'll be able to redeem your gift card on Vanilla online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.